Okay, so for this problem, it reads a particle starts at the origin x equals 0 with a Vx as shown in the picture. The displacement measures in meters of the particle after 5 seconds is. So we begin by determining the motion for up to 4 seconds. We do this by identifying our initial velocity and our final velocity and our change in time. Our initial velocity is 2 meters per second. Our final is 10 meters per second, and our delta t is 4 seconds. All this information was gotten from the graph to the right. In step 2, we are going to go ahead and find the acceleration using these numbers. So we find acceleration by using the formula highlighted in step 2. Acceleration equals delta v over delta t. Once we do this, we find that the acceleration is 2 meters per second. We then input this into our equation to find the displacement. The equation for the displacement is listed below. Once we solve, we see that the displacement is 24 meters. Now in step 4, we find motion from 3 to 4 seconds. We do this by using S equals V final times T. Once we do this, we see that S equals 10 meters. So finally, in step 5, we find the total displacement after 5 seconds. We do this by adding 24 plus 10, which gives us 34 meters after 5 seconds, which is answer C.